Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can make transparent weather and date widget right on your home screen. Just for the tutorial purpose, I added two weather widgets. This is one and this is another. So here you can observe the difference here. This one is the transparent one and this one is the one with the background. So I'll quickly remove both of these and I'll try to add it. Means we need to customize this widget in order for this date and weather widget to appear transparent like this. Means few people like transparency. Here is the date and here is the time also, and here is the weather. So actually three are included here: date, weather and time, and that too in transparent. So let me quickly drag and drop it over remove so that they gets deleted. So remember, first of all, I have this one weather app on my mobile, and this is the Motorola my mobile, current mobile. And please do comment Motorola Edge 50C here. So who else are using Motorola mobiles? So in order to add, just press and hold on your home screen for few seconds so that you will get this widgets option at the bottom, widgets. And under one weather app, just uh, choose any of the app, any of the widget available. Just drag and drop it over here. As soon as you do that, you will get the settings. Okay, under these settings you will see the preview here at the top. Okay, you can background transparency, you can limit here, or you can completely remove the background. Like if you say like 0%, there won't be any background at all. And this also directly transparent, means you can keep it light and adjust the background with this percentage bar. Okay, means you have the complete customization options. Remember, this is Android 15. Okay, and I'll be using this. Okay, any of the color, aqua maybe as the tutorial is of giving transparent look on the home screen, I'll make it completely transparent. At the top I'll click on save. As soon as I do that, I got a transparent weather widget. So what I'll do is I'll just make it extend like this. So yeah, this is how you can make transparent weather and date widget on home screen. If you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. And one more thing, if you want widget like this on your home screen, attractive widget, please do ask in the comments, commenting like multiple widgets so that I'll be doing a video on that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.